In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to lock your iPhone touchscreen for your baby, which is perfect if you are letting them watch a video or use an app without accidentally closing it or pressing unwanted buttons. Launch your settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option Accessibility. Once you're over here, scroll all the way down, you're gonna find the option Guided Access. Click on that. Enable for this option. Likewise, toggle on for the option Accessibility Shortcut. Once you do that, close this. Now open the app you want your baby to use, such as YouTube, and make sure the video is already playing. Press the power button 3 times to bring up the Guided Access menu. Select Guided Access, then tap Session Settings. Turn off all options to fully lock the screen. Press Done. Then tap Session Settings, turn off all options to fully lock the screen. Press Done, then tap Start in the top right corner and set a passcode. Your screen is now locked and unresponsive to touches. When you are ready to stop it, press the power button 3 times again. Choose Guided Access, enter your passcode and tap End. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.